Now, the question before us is whether the terms in a polynomial can contain different powers of the same variable, and the another question is whether the terms of the polynomial are compulsorily required to be arranged in the descending order of the degree of the variable. Now the first question is whether the terms of in a polynomial can contain different powers of the same variable. It means that if we say 3x square plus 2x minus 1, that is the polynomial can have the variable with different powers. Here you can see that here the variable x is having power 2 in the first case 3x square, but in the case of 2x term the power of x is 1. So the answer is the terms in a polynomial can contain different powers of the same variable, but it must be remembered that the power cannot be in negative. Further, the power of the variable cannot be in fraction. The power of the variable has to be in either 0 or in whole numbers, that is 1, 2, 3. So the answer is the terms in a polynomial can contain different powers of the same variable, but it must be remembered that here the power is not to be either in negative or it can also be not in fraction. It has to be in whole numbers. It may range from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now the next question before us is whether the terms of the polynomial are compulsorily required to be arranged in the descending order of the variable. What is the question? Let us understand the same with the help of example. Suppose I write 5x cube 2x plus 3x square minus 6. I write the same term again 5x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 6. So from the perusal of both these polynomials, you find that 5x cube is here, 5x cube is here, 3x square is here, 3x square is here, 2x is here, 2x is also here, minus 6 here, minus 6 is also here. So both these algebraic expressions seem to be the same. Both these polynomials appear to be the same. Now the question is whether the terms of the polynomial are compulsorily required to be arranged in the descending order of the degree of the variable. That is, the variable where the power is highest should come first and it should be followed by the next highest power variable, that is after x cube that term should come which has next higher level power. From here you can see that 5x cube is to be followed by 3x cube, and after that term should come where the power is 1, or it may not be there. It can also be possible that there is no term with power x1. So by convention or usually the terms of the, it is not compulsory that we should arrange the variables or the terms in the order of the power of the variables in the descending order. It is not compulsory to do so. However, it is by convention, or usually it is done that the terms of the polynomial are arranged in the descending order of the degree of variable. It is by convention, or it is usually done so. Why it is done so? So that we can easily identify the highest power and the lowest power of the variable, and we can also do work with the polynomials. What type of work is required to be done? Suppose we are asked to do some multiplication or some addition or subtraction of two polynomials. Suppose this is the case. Then here we are to do, suppose, addition of these two polynomials. Now, if we are to do the addition, whether it will be possible that we can do addition in this way? No. We will have to do addition in this way, that we will write the first in the with the highest power polynomial in the way that where the variable or the term with the highest variable comes first. Here 5x cube, it is now here the highest power of the variable is this 7x, where x is raised to the power 4, then comes with power 3, then comes 2x, 2x square. No, here it is 5x square. Here it is 5x. We have written 7x square, 5x cube, 5x square. Here comes 2x, then comes plus 6. Now we will rearrange this one. 2x cube, 2x square plus 7x. Now we can easily add these. Here the answer can be 7x raised to the power 4. Here 5 plus 2, 7x cube. It will become 5x square plus 2x square, 7x square. Here it will become 2 plus 7, 9x plus 6. So it becomes easily for us to do work with the polynomial if the terms of the polynomial are arranged in the descending order. Because here is a uniformity, that is first comes the highest degree, then comes the next highest level degree, then comes the power which is below this power, that is after x cube comes x square, and after x square comes x, and then comes constant. So in the same way we will arrange the next polynomial so that we can do addition or subtraction, so it becomes easy. So it is, though it is not compulsory that the terms should be arranged in this manner in the descending order, but it is by convention, or it is usually done so. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.